everyone and welcome to Seek English with Sarah. आज हम बात करेंगे contractions के बारे में. What are contractions in English language? Contractions basically दो words को join करके, उनको close करके short कर दिया जाता है. उनको contractions कहा जाता है. जब हम दो अल्फाज को contract करते हैं, close करते हैं, तो उनमें से certain letters जो होते हैं उनको omit कर दिया जाता है, निकाल दिया जाता है. In other words, हम contractions को shortened words के नाम से भी जानते हैं. For example, you are, you're a good girl. Contractions हमारी everyday spoken English में काफ़ी importance रखते हैं. हमारी daily conversation जो है वो ज़्यादातर contractions के थ्रू ही होती है. ये हमारी fluency को भी increase करते हैं. अब देखते हैं in detail कि what are contractions with examples. So let's get started. I am an artist. I'm an artist. लेटर ए को हमने यहाँ omit कर दिया है और apostrophe के बाद हमने सिर्फ m को रखा है, so ये बन गया I'm an artist. He is a singer. He's a singer. What is your name? What's your name? She is a good girl. She's a good girl. It is a beautiful book. It's a beautiful book. I cannot go for shopping. I can't go for shopping. You are not going to the party. You aren't going to the party. We will have a meeting tomorrow at 10 a.m. We'll have a meeting tomorrow at 10 a.m. I will help you with your chores. I'll help you with your chores. I did not see a bottle of water. I didn't see a bottle of water. We are going to the bookshop. We're going to the bookshop. They will have barbecue tonight. They'll have barbecue tonight. I have your phone with me. I've your phone with me. I do not know you. I don't know you. He will be home by 8:30 p.m. He'll be home by 8:30 p.m. She will cook pasta today. She'll cook pasta today. Let us play. Let's play. That is it. That's it. There is a park. There's a park. You will be in my team. You'll be in my team. He does not play games. He doesn't play games. अगर आपको do और does का इस्तेमाल नहीं आता, तो मैंने एक डिटेल्ड वीडियो रिसेंटली बनाई है do और does के यूजेज पर. आप उसको देख सकते हैं. लिंक जो है डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में पेस्टेड है और आपको स्क्रीन पर भी नजर आ रहा होगा. I could not understand your instructions. I couldn't understand your instructions. She has not completed her homework. She hasn't completed her homework. अगर has और have का इस्तेमाल भी आपको नहीं आता, तो आप मेरी वीडियो में जाकर has और have का इस्तेमाल सीख सकते हैं. लिंक जो है डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में भी पेस्टेड है और आपको स्क्रीन पर भी नजर आ रहा होगा. I have not visited Egypt. I haven't visited Egypt. He jumped as if he had seen a ghost. He jumped as if he'd seen a ghost. I had better do my work. I'd better do my work. I would call you in the evening. I'd call you in the evening. It would have been superb. It'd have been superb. We should not go out after 9 p.m. We shouldn't go out after 9 p.m. I should have informed you earlier. I should have informed you earlier. We were not at the wedding ceremony yesterday. We weren't at the wedding ceremony yesterday. You have 5 minutes left. You have 5 minutes left. मैं उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आज की वीडियो से आपने काफ़ी कुछ सीखा होगा। अगर वीडियो पसंद आई है तो उसको लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और अपनी फीडबैक मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर